Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th, chapter 27. We are on chapter quadrilaterals and we have started the exercise in which we have solved first, second, third question. Now we are solving question number 4. So question number 4, you can see, use the information given in the following figure to find x. Now see, you can see this figure. In this figure is what? This figure is quadrilateral. So in this figure, the information is given. Now what information is given in this figure? That it's a quadrilateral. There are four angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. If you'll see, each angle is given in its own way. 3x minus 5 degree, 8x minus 15 degree, 2x plus 4 degree and this is 90 degree. Okay. So 3x minus 5 degree, 8x minus 15 degree, angle B is 2x plus 4 degree and this sign shows, see generally we show angles this way, normal angles, but if it is 90 degree we make it square. Okay, square, square has 90 degree angles in it. So angle A is 90 degree. So this now this is in quadrilateral. Okay, this is a quadrilateral and we have learned the property, the sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360. So after that what to do. Okay, find out value of x. So whatever value of x you will get, that you have to substitute in angle B and angle C. What is angle B? 2x plus 4. So here instead of x we have to substitute that particular value. Angle C, instead of this x we have to substitute that particular value. Okay, so let's see how to do it. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. The sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay. So angle A is 90 degree, angle B is 2x plus 4. Now see, angle A 90 degree, it is given in the figure, this angle A. Okay, angle B, you can see angle B 2x plus 4. I have written instead of angle B 2x plus 4. Angle C 3x minus 5, 3x minus 5. Angle D 8x minus 15, 8x minus 15. So since we are adding plus, okay, is equal to 360 degree. Reason Then 90 degree. So now what we will do is, now in here now I have segregated constants and variables, like variables or like terms. So constants were 90 degree. Constants means only numbers. So 90 degree, 4, minus 5 and minus 50. So I have written same thing. I have written 90 degree plus 4 degree minus 5 degree minus 15 degree plus 2x plus 3x plus 8x is equal to 360 degree. So 90 plus 4, 94 and 94 minus 20, 74 plus 8, 9, 10, 13. 13x is equal to 360 degree. So now this has become a linear equation here itself. So 13x will be kept in LHS and all variables in LHS, all constants in RHS along with this changed signs. So 13 is already in LHS, no need to change its sign. So constants I have to shift or transpose to RHS. 70 plus 74 degree becomes minus 74 degree. So 13x as it is, 360 minus 74 is 286 degree. So x is equal to 286 degree upon 13, answer is 22. So now we have got value of x. So I told you that we have to substitute in the required angles. So angle B is asked and angle C is asked. So just instead of x I have to substitute 22. So 2 into 22 plus 4. 3 into 22 minus 5. So this way I have solved. Please go through it. 2 into 22, 44. So after substitution, now you know how to substitute and find. I've solved. Please go through it. I hope you will understand. Okay. Thank you so much. Now you can see here question 4 is solved. 5, 6, 7 is cancelled and we'll be solving 8 and 9. Okay. So let's see this is question number 8. So you can see in the given figure, B equals to 2a plus 15 degree and C equals to 3a plus 5 degree. Find the values of B and C. Now see here, this is a quadrilateral. You can see this is a quadrilateral. Here it is not given, but you should understand since it is a closed figure which is enclosed by 4 sides. Okay. So this is a quadrilateral. Once it's a quadrilateral, we can apply the property. The sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So angles are given, angle A, angle B, angle C and 70 degree. Also the values of B and C is given. Okay, this is value of B, value of C, but value of A is not given. Why? Because if value of B is this and value of C is this, if we add all, we'll get answer in A. Okay, so find the value of B and C. So let us see how to solve it. Okay, easy, no issues. Question 8. So 70 degree BAC. A plus B plus C plus 70 degree, you know, A plus B plus C plus 70 degree is equal to 360 degree. The sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So A plus 2A plus 15 degree plus 3A plus 5 degree plus 70 degree is equal to 360 degree. Okay. So now what we have done, B, value of B is 2A plus 15. So I have written here instead of B, I have written 2A plus 15. Instead of C is written 3A plus 5 degree plus 70 degree is equal to 360 degree. So 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. Now what we have done in this step, I have segregated all the variables. So A, 2A, 3A, 15 plus 5, 70 degree. Okay, so this way I have segregated. When we are segregated here, when we are shifting here itself in one sign, like LHS, if I am shifting here to there just for segregation for our convenience, we are not changing sign. Okay, but if we are transposing from left to right or right to left, sure we are going to change its sign. So 3 plus 3 6a, 15 70 plus 20 90 is equal to 360 degree. So keep 6a on LHS and transpose plus 90 to RHS. So 360 minus 90 degree 270. So a is equal to 270 minus upon 6, sorry, and just find out cancellation. 6 1s are 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30 degree. So a value of A is 45 degree. So now I have to find value of B because value of B is asked and value of C is asked. But value of B, how we'll find out value of B? By substituting value of A, that is 45. So 2 multiplied by 45 plus 15 degree. Why 45? We have got here answer 45. Okay. So 2 into 45 degree plus 15. So 90 plus 15. 245 is a 90. After addition we get 105. So 3 into 45 plus 5, 135 plus 5, 140. So this is revision number 6. You can just solve it if you want. You will get its copy on class work also. But see, revision number 7. Okay, this is revision number 7 of quadrilateral. All right. Okay, now next. Now see, in next video we will be watching or we will be seeing properties of different types of quadrilaterals and their properties. Okay, so complete your exercises, complete your work. Thank you and please take care.